What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you just see my face for the first time, you are so welcome. In today's video I am going to be showing you a magical step to remove dark spots. Now this treatment is the bomb. It's going to help you so much in getting rid of dark spots. So if you want to know what my treatment is going to be, please do continue watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also thumbs up this video if you do love my video. Turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you won't miss any of my videos. If you want to ask me any questions, you can do that on my website. And also if you want to buy some natural ingredients, you can do that on my website. I have tons of ingredients on my website, you can purchase them. Alright, so visit my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. The first ingredients we're gonna be needing: guava leaf. Remove dark spots and clear up the skin. It evens out the skin because it contains vitamin C, which is rich in lightening up the skin. Guava leaf provide a wound healing property to the skin, retain the skin moisture and freshness. I'm gonna go blend my guava leaf. I'm going to be plucking the guava leaf into a blender. Now I'll also add up a little amount of water, okay, to enable me blend and get the juice of this guava leaf. Alright, that will be very perfect. So I'll be right back. Now here is my blended guava leaf. Just like I told you earlier, I added a little amount of water to get me this juice. So I'm gonna be straining the guava juice into this. This amount of guava juice will be perfect. And the next ingredients, we're gonna be needing baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. It's great in exfoliating the skin, remove dead skin cells. In addition, it helps to balance the pH level of the skin, which helps the skin rejuvenate. It removes excessive oil, remove dark spots, pimples and blemishes, leave the skin looking younger, supple and radiant. Now for the baking soda, I'm going to be adding half tablespoon of baking soda into the guava juice, and this will be perfect. The next ingredients: apple cider vinegar. With the use of apple cider vinegar to the skin, it will help to remove dead skin cells, reveal a vibrant new skin and retain moisture onto the skin because it contains anhydrous acids that would help to remove excessive oil, balances the pH level of the skin, and it's great in lightening up the skin because of the presence of vitamin C. And I'll also be adding half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into this, and that is going to react because of the baking soda. Now you have to stir this all together. Now use this guava juice every morning and evening, and your dark spots will be gone for good. Alright, now let me show you how you're going to be using this. Now how to store this: you're going to turn this into a little container. Alright, then you can store it this way so you can always use it. Now how to use it: you'll be getting a cotton wool, all right, or you can do that with your hands, and then you should take a little amount of the juice like this. Now you apply it on any part in which you have dark spots, like just that exact part that you have dark spots. Okay, you apply it around that part like this. Like exactly what I'm doing right now, except you have dark spots just all over your face. Then you can evenly spread this treatment all over your face. Okay, evenly spread it all over your face. Now you have to let this treatment dry off on your face, and let it dry on those little places that you place the treatment on. Now when it's dry, you can still hold this treatment overnight. If you're using the treatment on your face overnight, you can leave it on your face till the next morning, then you wash it off. Okay, repeat this treatment 2 times in a day, and in no time your dark spots will be gone. All right, the perfect treatment for dark spots. Now anytime you want to apply this, you notice that it will sink down. All right, so you have to shake it before you apply. All right, shake before you use. Perfect. So basically that's just a very simple, easy step to remove dark spots, and repeating this every morning and evening, or every evening, would effectively help to remove all dark spots, and you are gonna be happy you did watch this video. All right, so if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you want to buy some natural ingredients, you can purchase that on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there, and same website you can ask me private, curious or beauty questions. I'm there to answer all of your questions. And also visit my blog channel to see some interesting videos like lifestyle reviews and pranks. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye.